Why did the 2025 Oscars turn their eyes to Japanese schools? Let's find out how they're shaping the next generation from the heart. Hello, it's Mayu, coming to you from Hiroshima, Japan. Welcome to my channel, Zen Harmony Parenting. Our mission is raising future global leaders with the wisdom of Japan. Here, I share valuable parenting insights inspired by Japanese culture. Today's topic is the remarkable education system in Japanese elementary schools, which gained global attention from the Academy Award-nominated documentary Instruments of a Beating Heart in 2025. I just watched a short documentary on the New York Times that deeply moved me. It's the most viewed one ever, and I saw it in a café tearing up. The link's in the description. Please watch it. I think it will touch your heart too. In Japanese elementary schools, students are served lunch by the school, and every child participates in cleaning the school. It is quite unique, isn't it? Let's dive into the details. In Japanese elementary schools, lunch, known as kyushoku, is provided by the school. Interestingly, it is not the teachers who serve lunch. Students take turns doing it. Wearing white uniforms, they collaborate and share responsibilities. Once everything is set, they say "itadakimasu," which means let's eat and enjoy their meal together. When I was in elementary school, I looked forward to being on lunch duty. It felt rewarding to contribute by serving food my classmates, boosting my confidence and sense of responsibility. The menu changes daily, keeping things exciting. On curry days, a popular day when Japanese-style curry was served, long lines of students would form as many of us went back for seconds. If a classmate was absent, there would be an extra dessert, and we'd play rock, paper, scissors to decide who gets it. Unfortunately, I never had the courage to join in, so I missed out on those extra treats. After finishing lunch, everyone takes their plates back. This habit is built into us from the moment we start school, making it second nature to clean up after ourselves at home as well. Next, let's discuss an equally fascinating aspect. Japanese elementary schools do not have maintenance staff. Indeed, students are responsible for cleaning their classrooms and hallways. All students take turns sweeping with brooms, mopping the floors, and arranging desks and chairs. They even clean the halls, staircases, and restrooms. Is this some sort of punishment? Did the children do something wrong? Absolutely not. It is an integral part of their education to foster independence. By cleaning, they not only create a tidy learning environment, but also cleanse their minds. It teaches them to value and take care of their surroundings and promotes teamwork. Beyond academics, learning these life skills helps Japanese students prepare for adulthood. So, that's a glimpse into the fascinating education system in Japan, focusing on school lunches and cleaning. What are your thoughts? How's it in your country? I would love to hear your opinion in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye for now. ありがとうございました。